Twum Asante. Henry Joseph Twum Asante. Joseph, good morning.
I don't know how stressy or Joseph knows that.
I say, would you share that? It's in a CAP.
Do you when you
Hey, now the Joseph dear, what is your candy fool? Una nyankopon ayi se die abusua bia nim ti Joseph di ne betesa we Joseph so say ye de adwaman e trap you aye nyaw hey Joseph there was strong attribute you can say this year Henry there we can there but Joseph is very important
because Joseph for Bible
Henry so ask na
Kristo mu no dimu Joseph no san wo Yesu
aha
Matias here
die ehu pa na boy Henry so boy Cape Coast nkomo kakra the trip from Accra to Cape Coast mokoye rudiment amobɛ fam ekopim se mo he na nyame adoma Friday abo game no for yewura mu kakra na ya wasem ba kom yenu bia na yabisa
okay PJ medase mechia the senators Habria Minoka say your Cape Coast you do Cape Coast and run by no upper host to Madrasa and you do Cape Coast. And upon before I free and crying, sports minister over Mustafa Yusuf, Ebishia and Mantiano, and they are buying Ludin every 2 money, and more assurance. Only Bibia 6 minutes and money in from because I'm buying Ajiatu said they also only be a Senegal Ghana World Cup. Both now are missing 3 years ago, Russia. This time I was saying to me, call a year Kaka. Into your normal category, president, so, and then I don't do some Kaka, a Mao, and not you know, heavy breakfast, and I say, Danny, at the Cape Coast. If you do Cape Coast, the Yemen needs to camp be very calm. I think there is no negativity to report, and I think it is very good for the team. You will do captain in the branch in Como, with the need for them to go all out when given the opportunity to play for Ghana. If you are die anyway, I feel so. For no more team or the two this is the time for them to make an impact. Or no, as Andre on your opportunity called World Cup at the age of 20. At 31, 32, or about 2 World Cup competitions. If they no use to wear a day and faton. Ade Amantiano Ekasai. January, Bayer no number, and your call, a coya first training or Cape Coast Stadium. I mean, Kase, if only in Cape Coast Stadium, no power. I think since time of London, it's been one of the venues that normally overcome na pitch now in a very good condition. And right do CK Ebo Green Grass Technology about to say they've been able to work very hard to get the pitch back in a very good condition. In the regional of video, so no more from going abaso. And now come on. As soon as it's 2 teams in the training, or best science class, now water, now if you what press then the pitch will be ready for Friday match. A mountain will be training at least it's been restored to its quality. In the training, I lasted for about 1 hour, 10 minutes, and I sent back to the hotel. And I pay all my board work and coach said because the game is in the evening, he always wants to train in the evening. Inti, Namia Duma anyway, the Russian for training around 5. Ethiopia former Sabria Miluka say, Oma Bedru, Cape Coast. They've been taken to the stadium, Omako around, Omashe. What is there to be inspected? I think they are impressed. Namia Duma, it's not on between 7 p.m. San Ambrano etie. But yeah, your coach Nyan Kasai say also training before the Ethiopians or after. And I'm sure once he gives us that communication, we will put it out for public consumption.
Okay. Now, so the match time, no? I believe it's 7 p.m. on Friday.
Yes, 7 p.m.
7
p.m. But there is always, the law allows the away team to have flexibility, no? until they have decided to train at 7. So
it's a day before. Until we training Echina
before.
Okay.
Echina, say you decided to train before 7 and I say after 7. But away team there is that flexibility, and they have chosen to train at 7.
Okay. It's not me share say na yen said I have a feel of how the Cape Coast Stadium is at 7 p.m. And I didn't be a nanumre yen ko training 7 p.m.
Okay. So whatever technical decision in terms of time, in terms of training schedule, a head coach and the take it. Before I hear Bano, now I hear checks. Am I the weather condition from 4 p.m. until about 9 p.m. The difference is not much. You do training 7 p.m. or training 5, or training 4. And now I hear training Ghana in Kyoto. Before I hear Bano, now these days in Kyoto unannounced. And, the technical team having studied our report and the weather condition in Cape Coast after 4, one would decide the first 2-day training sessions it will be at 5. But on the day before the game, and on be determined Ebeko after 7, and I say every 1 hour before kickoff time.
Okay, Henry, that's so I just Kasa or Nhyira 104.5 FM. So, as of now, players say and our camp. Now, more expect to say be bana.
PJ, there were 32 players in camp for obvious reasons. The squad looks very fat on paper, but the reasons have accounted for decision to come to camp with 32 players. Where a little over a week ago, about 2 weeks ago, coach they need a professional squad of 30 or settle on 25 for camping. But from that time, no BC and Ryan about camping and then for instance, he was hoping to get Kudus and Partey back into the team. Unfortunately, they couldn't recover until we are out. Again, there was Kelvin Yeboah. Oh yeah, Naginza woman the first call up. Or not so now I was Oba. But I mean the boy decided or has decided to represent Italy instead of Ghana. You must respect his decision. Then another reason is that
I don't know. Obibusa say a consultation and money a year the engagement and I'm more engaging now and so I'm more calling it up for the assignment.
Oh, okay. PJ, sorry put to prove. And for player D and Michelle squad list, I break one any income. It doesn't show respect. And if it is that he decides not to play for you, it's also an indictment on your federation and on your national team. It has happened in recent times. A friend Jeremy Llewellyn, a friend not Germany for a friend. Truth of the matter is, and Mantiana, your friend in recent times need potentials for their country of base. Semishemodimbo Kelvin Ebo or Storm Graza. The Italians have penciled him down. Jeremy Llewellyn, it was the same. Immediately when we called him, the Germans also invited him. But the Tiani say Abrantiano, Adji, and I say, on yet tough mentally. Obe prefers Obe stay in his comfort zone than to come down where we need a new environment, new culture. I feel like Obe steady, I feel like Obe go through processes before the 9-bit team forming up. Now I'm feeling comfortable. A lot of factors go into that decision-making process. A player, maybe decided to say, make Obama my country of origin instead of my country of birth. And that has contributed to recent mess-ups. I did deal through Japan. Now, country of birth, Afrino. Now, Ama and Mantiana decided to say, Omumba. Let's one more example, for instance. Alexander Djiku. Obo Strasbourg. French League is rated among the best leagues in the world. Alexander Djiku, never me free Senegal, never papa free Ghana, or France. He was qualified to play for either France or Senegal. But he met him for 15 minutes and his mind was made up. And he decided to play for us. Those are the kinds of players that you need in your national team. He doesn't need convincing. Tariq Fusu, never me Asante, Ghana, never play Jamaica, England. He could have played for Jamaica. you can argue, say, they are in England, the chances of playing for the Three Lions are limited. But he could have still played for Jamaica and he will be fine. CK met him for 20 minutes. His mind was made up. He decided to represent Ghana. I told the beer, you must value your national team. Only play America not on year ready. And what's a for us, we engaged Mr. Yeboah through different means. Technical director, head coach, FA president. We spoke to his uncle, Tony Yeboah. A lot of engagement took place. Yeah, the team no bad on Italy for FA and he has chosen to play for Italy. I think we just have to move on.
Okay. Now, notably, absent from the squad.
The entire squad near fat. Say, Mama, 2 reasons. Kudus, any party. And I say, Koba say, English clubs, they decided to release your players for qualifiers in COVID-19 red-listed countries. In Jacoba, immediately, we needed to act. On China, and Sana, we're moving on. So, straight away, we decided to bring in new players into the team. And until Samuel Ashikwe, Abesha team, is the reason we also gave late invitation to Joseph Ebi, Onononka main squad now. And then Kofichre and a Braydon Menu are more Germany, technical director, and I recommend the and they were ready to board the next available flight. And then we've also decided to bring in Fatah Mohammed from Hearts of Oak. It is because here in South Africa, Baba Rahman and Kobe, Jordan Ayew and Kobe, Daniel Amati and Kobe, and then our right back and the Adams also and Kobe. So you always need to be prepared for shocks. And see, Anna, coach, I invite the other players to join. And that is why we have 32 players in camp. And so far, I think we are on course.
Okay. Like I said, as of now, yes, participate player be about kind of squad.
We have a full house, and Friday he will select his team from these 32 players. And once the other 4 no be free, then that will bring the number to 28 in the another for a match against South Africa.
Okay. You didn't say share Ethiopia game media, but South Africa can be called by
Ethiopia Friday. Cape Coast. Immediately after the match, near Chorus to Accra. If we Accra, maybe matching around 3 a.m.
Okay, next say a quarter. Said and so
much. Only 1 day to train because if you do South Africa Sunday, I will have only Sunday evening to train, and the game is on Monday.
Wow. And I say I didn't pay about time with cheap because issues of jet lag in your money, a bit to me asset in. Now, and 1 hour 10 minutes training here, CK, and I said the technical team of the Blasters, any players near you know. Now, whom be said CK bought 3-back system, Diana.
Or try different alternatives, or try options, baby. Or technical eye, now what he stands anymore. Clearly, you can see what he is seeking to do. Into mean to mean, Kase, or 3-back, or 4-back, or 4-2-3-1, and whatever.
But any man or try on different occasions. Any man or try not include back one include 3-back system be.
About 3-back system. Yes, I think he played Jiku, Amate, Jonathan for about 15-20 minutes. Na players no no more come 3-back system and say be and you're comfortable. Oh, training session there. Utumi ball, na stop it. Na ball, na stop it. Not see any. Into ultimate conclude say be players in comfortable. But even without practice, you cannot perfect your act. Into ball, no stop it. No hit it long, hit it pass. Sorry, short. Midfielders come back and pick the ball and spread it to the wings. Different forms and shape. And as experienced as Amate is, Jonathan Mensah and all the other players, they were comfortable or uncomfortable. I think that, and that's also another opportunity. And then tomorrow, finally, on Friday, you will have the idea of how to approach the game.
Okay, that'll be fine. It's a 3-back experiment. Now, how many wing backs, no?
Or change here. After at one point, or the I think Schlupp have the ball right side, even though he's left naturally.
Okay.
Andy Bobby, Baba Bobby, Gideon Bobby. Oh, change here. No, change.
Okay. Now say, and then at 5, no, you say, or be firm up preparation ni kakra. Either say on Friday, you be cover 3-back and I say usual 4 now. I'm say
PJ, from experience, I think it also depends on your opponents. Fortunately, we have 2 world-class video analysts with the team. Patrick Givas, now an assistant too. No, he is also a UEFA license E video assistant, and already your video assistant that are our staff of the FA, and these 2 are working together. After every training, omoji video no, omo share, no they are comparing opponents. And Ranaju, Yedidi and Adjuye, they sat for about 2 hours. This morning, Martin was I think what we see on the pitch is based on advisor and coach. And by and large, if we do Friday, we will get the chance to have a very good idea of how the Ethiopians play, and on a day informing on the decision as to who is going to start and in what position.
Oh, okay. But so I can say, campy calm na players in be so say the technical team be by be any problem be sika be tuatua be na duana.
Maybe okay. I think we are calm. Obia from the playing body to technical team to officials attached to the team. Obia is fine. We do not have any problem at all. And there is no reason to worry. Around this time when you have been told fight to write your names in letters of gold, I think the players know what is at stake. Coach is only what it will do for his image and his career if he's able to qualify Ghana to the World Cup. I have been in camp on numerous occasions, both in my current position and when I was a reporter or a journalist. Sometimes environment in India a certain sense of urgency and a worry. But honestly, I think this time the players are calm. Every country previous tournament mistakes or and the way I are corrected those mistakes going forward. It will be the thing.
Now, many players now can say match we bonus in say.
It was a discussion that was held between the players and the minister. And I think they know what they will be given. And as I sit here, but I think the players are happy about whatever package has been promised them.
Okay, all right. Let say Makwa Moya Jumedi, Yamia Dumechna, and you know, we are training net and development be a bar, a befriend, Yanuakasa.
Okay,
all right. Henry Joseph Asante, Communications Director for Ghana Football Association, and Yanina Akasano. Yanko, a tactical board on the Yankovi by interior answer. Okay.